Hello and welcome to this cozy craft time with Miss Jo. Today I'm going to show you something really fun, easy, and useful. We're going to make some really cute cup cozies like my little friend the fox here. I'm going to show you how to make one of those, but also I've got a really cute llama and one I just designed myself of a little gnome. And on our site, there's going to be all three patterns, one for the fox, one for the llama, and then one to make a cup sleeve that you can design your own. And all you need is a hot glue gun, some felt scraps in about 15 minutes, and you can have your very own cozy coffee cozy. So I'm going to show you how to make this cute little fox, but I've chosen some black and some brown to make him out of. And so the first thing I'm going to do before I glue him on is I'm going to glue the body parts on. So we have a little white mask here, and I'm going to just kind of, so, and I'll show you step by step as I do that. So first thing I did was put on his mask. And now I'm going to go ahead and we'll glue his nose. And his eyes. Now you can see we've got our fox's little face on there. And then the next thing I want to do is I'm gonna, as you can see, it's this whole body that wraps around to make the cup cozy. So I'm gonna, first I'm gonna glue on his tail. So just kind of, that's good. And then kind of center, I'll show you, kind of center your head about like that, so that when you make your cup cozy, the tail, here I'll show you, that his tail is going to come and it's going to snug right over like that. And I'll give you a better view of that in just a moment. And you see I've centered, put his face on there, and then what we're going to do is we're going to slip. Oops. Didn't expect you to do that. Slip my cozy off there, and I'll show you. And these will fit all pretty much like a this size or even a medium, more of a medium-sized drink. So now what I want to do is I want to make sure, so you don't want it pooching like that. So I want to make sure to get my cozy on there. Snug so it's going to fit. And I'll scooch him up a little bit. And then I'm going to take and some glue right back here. And just kind of scooch him up a bit. And there you have your own Fox cup cozy. It's ready for a cup of hot chocolate, hot coffee, or a nice cup of tea. Thanks for joining me on this cozy winter craft. I'm so glad you were here, and we'll see you next time. Take care and keep warm.